Hi, I'm John Dixon from Agents on Point. I want to welcome you to number 3, Seagull Street in lovely Point Halloran, Victoria Point. This property is 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom, got a lovely backyard, coming through swimming pool out here, positioned just down the road from the waterfront. Let's have a look through this one. As you can see, it's a cracking home. Right here, 640 square metres of manicured lawns and gardens, a beautiful swimming pool with solar heating on the roof. You've got a brand new kitchen in there, renovated bathrooms. It's a wonderful opportunity. We're going to have open homes all weekends. Come and see me, John Dixon, Agents on Point, and I'll take you through this one.